Today we mainly talk about the installation and maintenance of the 14x17 electric X-ray bucky stand. The X-ray bucky stand is also called the chest stand. Its commercial name is the vertical chest stand. The electric X-ray bucky stand is mainly composed of three parts: bracket, slide rail and cartridge. The maximum travel distance of the film box is 1,100 millimeters. The maximum photographic size is 356 mm x 432 mm 14x17. When installing, attention should be paid to overlapping the vertical center of the film box with the center of the X-ray tube on the flat hard ground 180 centimeters away from the X-ray tube. After correct adjustment, 4M8 expansion screws are installed in the through-hole centers of 4/8 point I at the bottom of the column of the alignment device by electric hammer drilling, and then tightened.